In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine PDF files in Google Drive. By the end, you'll be able to merge multiple PDFs into one clean document right from your browser using a free Drive-connected app called PDF Mergy. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google's homepage. In the top right corner, click the grid icon, sometimes called the Google Apps button. From that menu, choose Drive to open Google Drive. If you're not already signed in, sign in to your Google account so you can access your files. Inside Drive, we'll connect the tool that does the merging. Look to the right side panel and click the plus icon to browse and add apps that work with Drive. In the search box that appears, type PDF Mergy. When you see it, select it and follow the prompts to install. You may be asked to grant permissions so the app can access files in Drive. Go ahead and allow those so the integration works smoothly. Once PDF Mergy is installed, return to your Drive. Click the new button at the top left, then choose More. In the list that opens, click PDF Mergy to launch it. This opens a new window or tab where you'll pull your PDFs together. Click Select Files. A file picker will appear so you can choose the PDF files you want to merge. Select all the documents you'd like to combine. After they're added, take a moment to check their order. The merge will follow the sequence shown, so make sure the first page of your final document is at the top, and the rest follow in the right order. If needed, adjust the list so it matches the flow you want. When everything looks good, click Merge. The app will process your files and create a single consolidated PDF. Depending on the size and number of files, this can take a few moments. Just let it run. After the merge completes, you'll be presented with saving options. You can download the merged PDF to your computer, which is great if you plan to email or store it locally. Or you can save the merged PDF straight to Google Drive, which keeps it accessible across your devices and easy to share. If you choose Drive, pick the folder where you want the file to live so you can find it later. That's it. You opened Drive, connected PDF Mergy, selected your PDFs, merged them, and save the result either locally or back into Drive. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly combined PDF.